going on YouTube? This is Andrew from Squeaky Clean Commercial Cleaning Company coming to you one more time with another video. I wanted to post, and it was kind of something that was inspired by an event that just happened to me. So I'm downtown area, doing a walkthrough for a potential client, and the walkthrough is going very well. And I needed to come outside to my van to pick something up while he was talking to a customer. So when I walk outside, I of course have on my squeaky clean attire. I have my van with the uh, advertising on the side, and young lady, older lady, was walking towards the bus stop, and she stopped me, and she asked about my company. I told her I'm a commercial cleaning company and what we did, the types of businesses that we service. And she's questioning. She tells me her story that she's looking for a job and that um, she's in a recovery home because of Corona and losing her job previously, and just the whole Corona, the pandemic, and how it's affected so many people through this time. So she wants to apply for a job, and of course, to the point where you're always trying to be automated with everything, but you have to realize that everyone's not always tech savvy, and they can't send you the documents back, signed and all that other stuff. So I learned something from one of the I call him a mentor, but he's a guy that I follow. Is AJ Simmons, Clean Biz Network. And one thing he says is, and other people say the same thing, is always be accepting application. But the other thing that he said is have applications in hand. So I was sitting there going back and forth, like, well, can you email me this? You can email me that. And she was a little flustered, a little confused. And I was like, wait a minute. I'm always prepared for stuff like this. And I didn't realize that I actually had applications printed out right in my backpack. So what I did was I gave her an application. Um, she wanted to get it back to me, and she was rushing for the bus, but the bus wasn't coming. So she said, "Okay, well, can I fill it out right here?" So she filled it out on my van while I went back inside to finish up my walkthrough with this retail store. And when I came back out, she was just about done. And of course, I asked her some questions, kind of doing an interview right there because she's in between places right now. She doesn't really have transportation, which may be an issue, but I'm the type of employer that I'm trying to give as many people opportunities to be employed as possible. So what I want to do is be able to provide transportation to some people that are in uh, situations where they don't have transportation, they don't have places to stay and stuff like that. I want to be able to provide services to help them get back on their feet. So if I can do that, I'm going to do it. But the gist of this whole video is to be prepared. Um, don't just get so fixated on being automated and doing things, one way all the time. Have options. Have other ways that you can get things accomplished to to better help yourself out, help others out. Um, be prepared in everything that you do. So, what I learned from somebody else, I want to pass on to the people that are viewing this is always be accepted applications, and also always have applications on hand for situations like that where it's real quick, fast, and in a hurry, and you never know, you may be missing out on a gem that can provide such a great service and become an asset to your business. So that being said, I am Andrew from Squeaky Clean Commercial Cleaning Company, 803-369-8122. You can reach us on our website at Squeaky Clean. That's Squeaky, SQUEAKYKLEAN 1911.com. Go to our website, check it out. Uh, Follow us on Google and anything else. So until then, you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll be posting as many videos as I possibly can to kind of document my journey and my path uh, in this commercial cleaning company business building process. So anything that I can do to help you out, I'll pass that on because somebody passed on information to me that helped me so much. I want to do the same thing. So they're God bless. And remember, it's not clean until it's squeaky clean.